So, this is now my solution. I mean, all that there was no insulation at all, and on the other places was little but not enough. And actually, when I'm looking at this, I will put a little bit more polyurethane. This is not expanding very much. It's polyurethane glue, and it seems to be kind of good for this purpose. And then I put it there, and what I will do is I have put some screws there already, and that will attach to this rib. And then here on this side, the rib is not under the plywood, so it's I think it should be more in that direction. But what I will do is I will afterwards, when I have put that here, I will screw the screws here so that the head of the screw will keep that on place. That's my solution. I don't understand how. I mean, I really have hard to understand how can a factory that is anyway doing a lot of product and they are selling worldwide, how can they do this quality? It's very hard to understand. Well, but anyway, I will have a warm camper this next winter. See you. So it looks better that I use screws to attach. I think I will leave those screws there just to remember me that in the world there is assholes that you can't trust. And then where you can see, well, I don't know, but I mean on the edge I put some polyurethane, and that place where there was no at all. I did that first, then I will put more on the surface and attach the plywood. And by the way, I found out the way how to use where is it? My tool. That kind of tool to put polyurethane, and in automobile they say that they leave out insulation places where it's hard to put the insulation, and they are speaking about polyurethane because that's the insulation they use. I found out how to put polyurethane with that tool on any places. It's not a problem that you have to keep it in a certain direction. But I will not tell you how in this video, because it might be that automobile looks at the video and learns something, and I have teach them enough already. Okay, see you, bye bye. Okay, so this is now my solution. I have put polyurethane here on both sides. First I put some water so that it will glue better, and actually I'm now in a little bit hurry because it will dry fast, and then I will with those screws put it back. There is kind of much empty spaces here. I think that part of I mean this area of the wall or roof or whatever, I might get even 2 centimeter more insulation now when I'm doing it. They had maybe 1 centimeter and they promised 2, and now I get 3 or maybe 4, I don't know. So I hope that this will, I wish me luck. Bye bye.